Hello, in front of me I've got XGody Car Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to connect your car dash cam to power supply and how to connect GPS locator and rear camera to the main camera. Firstly, what are we going to need? This switch cable with two outlets, cable to power supply. Let me unpack it. GPS locator and of course rear camera. Firstly, let's plug the power supply to your camera, and you have to plug it to this red port right here. Now, to this port, which is 3.5mm jack, you can plug your GPS locator. Now, this set is going to be plugged to this outlet on the top of the camera. Now, when it's set, the last thing you have to do is to plug your rear camera. So the rear camera actually goes also to the top of the camera, but you have to plug it to AV outlet right here, and it's done. Of course, you have to wire it up through the car, but basically that's how you plug your peripheral devices to the main XGody Dash Cam camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.